wanted to be like a public speaker. So I didn't know that you guys had stuff like this really going on.
So to find a way to silence my inner critic, that would be awesome for me.
It was just awesome joining forces with other people who are passionate about public speaking and about making a difference in their communities.
I'll say what I like a lot is the positivity and the power of words and understanding those words.
The reason why I've always been able to speak is because I have a voice for those who don't.
What really inspired me is understanding your responsibility as a member of a democratic country.
Speak from your core. Your speech demands excellence so that you can not just be heard, but motivate others to do what you're saying.
Be succinct, be passionate, be accurate, and take ownership.
The splendiferousness of your diversity, it was as a rainbow after the mist.
Everyone say, I am? Revolution.